With over 40 years of experience, PythonTek specializes in providing companies with access to a deep pool of Python software development professionals. The staffing model helps companies find the best professionals while matching the needs of those companies to the professionals' specific career goals. And here to tell us more is Gene Brown, Director of Candidate Engagement. Gene, welcome.
Thank you. It's good to be here today.
So, Gene, tell us how your company accesses talent in this highly competitive environment.
Several years ago, we looked internally at the number and strength of our relationships in the talent market space. We discovered that a large number of those relationships revolved around software development. Next, we took a deeper look into our group of software developers and found that Python was a core language to a majority of the group. They gave us these reasons for moving heavily into Python. Flexibility to rapidly develop and deploy applications. The second was broad resources, that due to the number of libraries that Python developers can draw upon, in many cases they can access and use pre-tested code for routine procedures, which allows them to focus on parts of the application that are truly a differentiator to solving that particular business problem. And lastly, the data-driven world of today is powered by Python.
And how does the patented software provide an advantage?
We came across a company that was doing some very unique things when it came to identifying talent and matching it to a role and company culture. They were able to identify a person's EQ, emotional quotient, which they defined as role fit and adaptability, their LQ, or learning quotient, which is somebody's ability to continue to evolve, grow, and develop over a period of time with an organization, and then a person's capital I, little d, Q, identification quotient, which drove engagement, which was a way to identify a person's capability to engage and solve or be a part of a company mission. This separates us from our competitors and has helped us push our average tenure of placement within the company to an average of 6.4 years.
Well, Gene, tell us, what can clients expect from their new team member?
We have tapped into a way to understand a person's attitude, aptitude, and interests, which allows us to objectively identify a person's capability. What this means is that we don't rely on a resume and a short phone discussion to determine if somebody's a fit for a company or a job. Client feedback is that we've tapped into a business process that separates PythonTek from other search firms.
Thank you, Gene. To learn more, visit pythontech.com.